Here is the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right by where the driver's left side foot would go, that's the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Honda emblem over there. On the left side, put one finger in there and then push it right. Like that. Push it right and lift up the hood at the same time. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. Put it in that slot in the hood with the arrow marking it. Right there. Yeah, put it in there. Let it go. And now the hood is secure in place. It's not going anywhere. Okay, now once the hood is open, that right there, that's the passenger side light bulb. And there's just one bulb for both the high beam and low beam. Same thing on the driver's side. We'll first start with the passenger side. Again, it's just one bulb for both the functions. That's the bulb. The way to access it is from behind it over there. Now first off, what we have to do is we have to get the electrical connector off. All you have to do is just pull it off. But if it's stuck in place, you may have to sort of pull it from the bottom and sort of, do back and forth, wiggle it, but it's going to come out after a few seconds. So get the electrical connector off and then sort of tuck it away over there behind those wires. Now get that rubber seal off. Get it off from the edges first and then just yank it off. Right, it's going to come right out. So get the rubber seal off and now we'll get that metal clip that's holding the bulb in place. We'll get it out. Just pay close attention to how I do it. Simple as that. You see that? You get it out. Now it's undone. Get it out of the way completely and make sure you're wearing gloves or at least use a towel or something when you touch the bulb. You don't want to touch the bulb with your bare skin. Get the bulb out and make sure that metal clip that was holding in place is out of the way. So otherwise you'll just have trouble getting the bulb out. Let's take a closer look at the bulb itself. This is a 9003 or HB2 or H4, all the same. Get the new bulb and hold it the way I'm holding over here. There are 3 prongs, 2 vertical and 1 horizontal. Just make sure your bulb is also going in the same way that I'm showing over here. Once it's in, it should sort of sit in the slots in the light housing. Alright, take a few seconds, be patient with it, but just get it in properly. Let's pause over here and take a closer look at what the bulb looks like when it's sitting properly in the housing. Yeah, see those notches? Good. Only once it's in place, you'll be able to put the clip on. So get the clip and let's put it back in its place. And that's it. Now the bulb is secured. We need to now put that rubber seal back on. When you're putting the seal back on, you sort of put it on first, right? Press on the edges. And what you have to make sure is the 3 prongs of the bulb, they go through the center hole. Right? See, it goes through all the 3 center holes, because otherwise you won't be able to put the electrical connector on. Yep, just like that. Once you're done, put the electrical connector back on, and again it only goes back in one way. So secure it on the bulb first and then push it to ensure there's a good connection. Yep, just like that. Push it and that's it. We're done with the passenger side bulb. See how easy it was? Now let's move on to the driver's side. And the driver's side is the exact same size and same process as the passenger side. It may look like there's not enough space, but trust me, there is enough space. I can get my entire hand in there. I'm going to show you this just to prove that there is in fact the same process. Get the electrical connector off, get the rubber seal off, and now we'll undo that clip that's holding the bulb in place. So press the clip and get it off. Yep, that's good. Now undo it, get it out of the way, and let's get the bulb out. It's the same bulb as the passenger side one, and see, I can easily get my hand in there and get the bulb out. Same bulb, 9003 or H4 or HB2. Get the new bulb and position it the way I'm showing over here, like this, with that top notch on the top, and make sure it's situated in the housing that way. Once it's in, put the clip on, and that's it. Again, if you want to get a closer look at how this clip works, go back and look at the way I showed on the passenger side. You'll get better camera angles over there. Once the bulb is secured in place, simply put the rubber seal on. Again, you have to make sure that the center hole of the rubber seal goes through the 3 prongs. Then just put the electrical connector back on, and once it's on, push it to secure it in place, and that's it. We're done. See how easy the whole process was? The exact same process for the driver's side and passenger side. We just changed the bulb in less than 5 minutes. Hope you found the video useful. In order to close the hood, first push it, get the load off the prop rod, get it out of the slot over there, put the prop rod back in its place, secure it, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found the video useful.